Hi and welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to start a successful online business in the arts and crafts industry. The arts and crafts industry offers many opportunities to start a successful online business. However, creating an online business can be a challenge and requires a lot of planning and preparation. Here are some steps you can follow to start a successful online business in the arts and crafts industry. Firstly, you need to find an innovative entrepreneurial idea that meets the needs of the market. Conduct market research to discover what potential customers need and how you can meet those needs with your products or services. Secondly, you need to define your business model and marketing strategy. Decide whether you want to sell products or services, or both, and how you want to reach your target audience. Use social media, online advertising, and email marketing to promote your business and reach a wider audience. Thirdly, you need to build your website and brand. Your website should be eye-catching, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. Additionally, you need to create a catchy and professional brand that sets you apart from the competition. Fourthly, you need to develop your products or services. Ensure that your products or services are of high quality and meet the needs of your customers. Additionally, try to offer added value to your customers, such as customer support or a satisfaction guarantee. Fifthly, you need to define your sales and monetization strategies. Decide how you want to sell your products or services and how you want to monetize your business. For example, you can sell your products or services through an online store or e-commerce platform, or you can offer subscription services. Sixthly, you need to monitor your business metrics and make necessary changes. Monitor your business metrics such as conversion rate, cart abandonment rate, website traffic, and revenue. Use this information to make the necessary changes to your business strategy. In conclusion, starting a successful online business in the arts and crafts industry requires planning, preparation, and strategy. Remember to find an innovative entrepreneurial idea, define your business model and marketing strategy, build your website and brand, develop your products or services, define your sales and monetization strategies, and monitor your business metrics. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Thank you for watching.